Finding a good trading strategy is the hardest part of trading. It takes a lot of time and effort to discover a profitable method, but once you find one, you can make a lot of money from trading.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
The effort you put in at the beginning will pay off in the end. On this channel, we help you find your best profitable trading strategy by doing all the hard work for you, and it's completely free. We would be thrilled if you subscribe to our channel. The strategy I'm about to show you is the easiest way to make money on TradingView. It works on any time frame and with any trading instrument, including Forex, cryptos, indices, and many others. To make this strategy work for you, I strongly recommend watching the full video. Why is this important? Many people end up losing their trades because they don't fully understand the strategy. They often skip parts of the video, missing crucial details. By watching the entire video and fully grasping the strategy, you can avoid these common mistakes and increase your chances of success. Take the time to watch it from start to finish and understand every aspect thoroughly. This way, you'll be well prepared to apply the strategy effectively in your trading. To start, go to the indicators section on TradingView and type Chop Zone. Add this technical indicator to your chart. The Chop Zone indicator is designed to analyze trends and identify their choppiness. It will help you determine if the market is trending smoothly or if it's choppy and unpredictable. Then, go to the indicator settings and change the colors. Set color 0 to color 3 to green, and set color 4 to color 5 to red. Once you've made these changes, hit OK. The green graph indicates a buy and the red graph indicates a sell. However, using the Chop Zone indicator by itself can lead to massive losses. So, we're going to add another indicator, MACD. Go to the indicators section, type MACD, then select Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and hit OK. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, is a momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. It helps identify changes in the strength, direction, momentum, and duration of a trend. By using the MACD alongside the Chop Zone indicator, you can get a clearer picture of the market conditions and make more informed trading decisions. To maximize profits in our trading, we're going to adjust some settings. Head over to the MACD indicator settings. In the input section, change the slow length to 50 and the signal smoothing to 33, then hit OK. Now, your layout should look like this. Now for the strategy by condition. We're focusing on two key indicators to guide our trading decisions. First, we look at the MACD histogram, which we want to see in green bar. Second, we use the Chop Zone indicator, where we're also seeking a green bar. By combining these signals, green MACD histogram indicating positive momentum and a green Chop Zone bar suggesting a favorable trend condition. So, we take a trade here and set our stop loss at the previous swing low. We aim to take our profit at the swing high. This approach helps manage risk and capture potential gains in the market. Remember, if these two conditions do not meet, we could end up losing our trade. Selling condition. First, we look at MACD histogram, which we want to see in red bar. Second, we use the Chop Zone indicator, where we're also seeking a red bar. Then, we take a trade here and set our stop loss at the previous swing high. We aim to take our profit at the swing low. This approach helps manage risk and capture potential gains in the market. If you've been following along, you should now have a solid grasp of how to implement this strategy in your trades and potentially profit from it. If you have any questions about the strategy we've discussed or need further clarification on any aspect, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'm here to assist you and ensure you have a clear understanding of how to apply this strategy effectively in your trading endeavors.